What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo. Yes, it is me. And today we are taking care of installing PDQ Connect on a machine that's part of a domain. So let's get right into it. All right. So I already have one of my machines or one of my virtual machines part of my domain. The computer name is V Windows 11. It is part of my btnhd.edu domain. So on the desktop on this machine, I already dropped the PDQ agent on it. I'm going to double click on it, or you can right click on it and run it as an admin, and you're going to get the wizard. You're going to click next here. It's going to start installing, and once it's done, it's going to give you this. So you're going to click finish and go into your PDQ Connect portal, log into it, and you're going to see your new machine. Now, it doesn't really matter if the machine is part of a domain or a work group. You don't really get anything special. But when you click on the computer that's part of a domain, the only thing that you're going to see is within your Active Directory, it actually gives you all the information here of where it's located within Active Directory. And if you go inside Active Directory groups, if that computer object is part of any particular groups, it's going to show here. And that's it. Pretty simple, nothing too special between their work group and the Active Directory. And that's it, guys. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.